Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Plug the Chromecast into an HDMI port and power it with the supplied USB cable. Use the wall adapter for steady voltage. Once powered, switch your TV to that HDMI input and you'll see the setup screen. Make sure your phone or laptop is on the same Wi-Fi network you plan to use. If you haven't already, open the Google Home app now. It will detect the new device and guide you through the pairing steps. Open the Google Home app and tap the plus icon to add a device. Choose Set Up Device and follow the prompts. You'll either scan the QR code shown on the TV or enter the short setup code manually. This ensures you're pairing the correct Chromecast. Next, assign a descriptive name and room so casting controls are clear. Once you enter the Wi-Fi password and the device applies settings, the app runs a quick test. Wait until it confirms the connection is successful. To cast, open a compatible app and tap the cast icon, then choose your Chromecast. You'll see your content appear on the TV. You can control play, pause, and seek from your phone or tablet, and adjust volume either from the app, the TV remote, or the Google Home app once linked. If casting fails, restart the router and Chromecast, confirm both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band, and recheck the Google Home app for firmware updates. This fixes most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.